You ask it a simple question and it answers with 10 more questions, just like yours. It's not broken. This is a base model, and all it was ever trained to do is guess what comes next. Building a model is a story in 2 acts. Today, we're here for the second one. Pre-training fed it a huge slice of the internet until the patterns of language lived inside its weights. It knows an enormous amount. It just has no idea it's supposed to help you. Post-training's whole job is to close that gap, to teach behavior on top of knowledge. Step 1 is simple. Show it thousands of examples of a good answer and let it imitate. These aren't scraped from the web. People carefully write them the way a great answer should look. Now it answers like an assistant. But is its answer the best one it could give? It has no idea yet. So we ask it the same question twice and have a person pick which answer they like more. Collect enough of those choices and you can train a second model to predict what people will prefer. Now any answer the model dreams up can be handed a score instantly. Now close the loop. The model writes, the reward model grades, and the model learns to chase a better grade. The algorithm steering this is called PPO, and it keeps the model on a short leash so it doesn't go off the rails. This is the pipeline OpenAI shipped in 2022, and a tiny tuned model beat a giant one people liked less. It works, but it's a lot of moving parts. A whole extra model and a tricky training loop. Can we do less? DPO says skip the reward model and the RL loop. Train straight on the preference pairs. And what if the AI could grade itself, guided by a short written set of principles? Post-training also teaches it the shape of a conversation, who's speaking and whose turn it is. Alignment is a balancing act, as helpful as it can be while staying honest and harmless. It learns where the line is, refusing real harm while still helping with everything that's fine. So how do we know it worked? We test it on benchmarks and by pitting answers head to head. But scores can be gamed and taste is subjective. Measuring good is harder than it looks. So that's the whole journey, from a raw text predictor to something that can actually help. Pre-training gives the model what it knows. Post-training gives it how it behaves. Thanks for watching. If this made it click, stick around for the next one.